What's up, YouTube? Got this GLB 250 here, and we're gonna change the engine air filter. Mercedes wanted $232 to do this, so we're gonna do it ourselves. Here's where we're gonna be working. All right, first you wanna pop the hood. If you go under the driver's side, you should see a red lever. And then find your release latch here, it's yellow. Move it to the left, and then the hydraulics will raise the hood. First things first, we gotta pop up this little cover here, so you can just pop it right up. It's got 3 little attachment points, 3 little ball mounts here that just press into these little bushings here. There's 1 little clip right here for the wiring. Just push the tab to the right and slide that off the little bracket right there. So next thing we have to do is move the ECU out of the way. So we're gonna pull these tabs right here, these 2 metal tabs. And so if you lift on the back of the ECU, you can see it's hooked into these tongues right here. You can just get that free, lift the ECU up. I'm gonna take this short bungee. You can use whatever you need to, and I'm just gonna hook it. Right up on this little aluminum casing right here. And then I'm just gonna hook it to this piece of plastic up closer to the firewall. All right, so this is our air box. All right, so the next thing we need to do is remove these 4 Torx screws that hold the airbox cover on. There's 1 on each corner. I just have a 3/8 ratchet, a long extension, and I have a Torx socket. It's a T25. I like to just get them all loose first, just crack them free. All right, they do appear to be captive screws, so you don't need to pull them all the way out. Once everything's loose, you can lift up the airbox cover. All right, that's gonna let you get your air filter out. Here's the old one. Here's the OEM part, Mercedes-Benz, made by MAN, made in Germany. So note the orientation. The 2 angled sides go towards the vehicle. It only goes in one way, and then the seal is on the top. You can vacuum it out, clean out the air box. Otherwise, you're ready to just slip in your new filter. Pop that in, make sure it's seated all the way around, feel it with your hands. And you're gonna just work backwards now. So you're just gonna drop this cover back on, hold all these wires out of the way. Get a couple of those Torx screws started. Push it, make sure it's fully seated. Don't over tighten, just cinch them up just till they stop nice and even. All right, just double check here. Now you're going to bring your ECU back down. Just make sure all the wires go in the same place. And we're gonna do the reverse. So we're gonna tuck in this front here under these 2 plastic tabs on this bracket first. We're gonna slide it under. Bring your clips out, these little wing clips. Make sure those are out. And then it'll just pop right into place. Bring those clips over. All right, good to go. Put this wiring harness clip back on this little tab here. Just slide it down over the top. It'll click. And we're just gonna pop our cover back on. Again, it's these 3 little ball mounts here. Can't miss them. Just line one up, come around, line the second one up. And those will just pop right into place. So you're all set. Close up your hood. You're good to go. Leave any comments, questions down below. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and good luck with the job. It's very easy. Take your time, be careful, but don't be afraid. So thanks. See ya.